to the Arcus help channel. In today's video, we'll cover the basics of Cloudspace networking. To get started, select Cloudspaces from the Manage section of the main menu. Find the Cloudspace you would like to configure and select it. Next, click the Manage button and select Networking in the left-hand column. Now, by default, each Arcus Cloudspace has two networks. One network is called the Concert Net, which is used by Arcus for provisioning, asset installations, remote access, and services like the Yum repo. Please be sure not to accidentally modify the Concert Net, as this can interfere with communication between essential concert services. The other default network is called the User Net, which is used for system-to-system communication and for internet access. The UserNet can be modified, isolated, or even removed as needed. As a team manager, you can also add custom networks to your Cloudspaces. Just click the Add button here, fill out the networking details. If you select Allow traffic from this network to be routed externally, you will have the option to configure firewall and DNAT rules, and a boundary IP will be automatically assigned. If you do not check this box, the network will be considered isolated and cannot communicate with the outside world. Click Save, and keep an eye out for any error messages. Now, while that processes, we can talk boundary IP addresses. A boundary IP address allows for secure communication between the Cloudspace and the external wide area network, or WAN, as the cool kids call it. Boundary IP addresses are automatically configured when a network is created and the Allow traffic box has been checked. To see which boundary IP addresses are being used in a deployment run, make your way to that run's overview page, and you can find the boundary IP under the Properties section. Or if you want a bit more clarity, head on over to the Host Options page, and there you have it. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.